What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I wanted to share with you my end of 2022 investing goals. So every single quarter, I have been, basically laying out, what I want it to look like, right? Always have short-term and long-term goals. In this video, I actually just want to do something new and kind of share with you some of my goals right now when it comes to investing. And I want to get your thoughts on this, obviously, and hopefully you glean from this. Maybe you even start writing more, journaling more, writing down your goals and knocking them out of the park, right? So hopefully you learned something from this, and let's jump in. So here's kind of where I'm at right now as we sit here in September of 2022. Number one, I am continuing to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I started doing this back in early April of this year. I am buying a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. Now, I know everybody can't afford to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. I am buying very, very small amounts, but you can afford to buy it every 2 weeks or every week or every month, even, right? And you could set recurring buys on some of the popular and well known exchanges, or you can manually do it yourself and just put a little bit into Bitcoin or Ethereum or both, or anything else that you have high conviction in, right? Now, again, I am adjusting the amount I buy based on my income that month and market conditions, right? So when the market gets a little bit more rocky and things are a little bit lower, I actually go ahead and buy a little bit more that day. Now, diversifying my portfolio. Right now, I hold 26 of the top 100 crypto projects, and I've diversified a lot here in 2022. I've liquidated some of the positions that I lost in or took profits in some of those, and I've come to actually build out some nice positions in some altcoins that I kind of missed in 2021, like Cardano, for example, BNB, Algorand, Crow, and I've added to my SHIB bags. So I've added, to my portfolio in these areas in my other altcoins slowly but surely. I'm not going all in by any means, but I like that I have continued to diversify my portfolio, and I'll continue to look to do that here as we move into the back half of 2022. Thirdly, what I'm doing and some of my goals here, continued goals for the rest of the year, investing more in the stock market. See, in 2020 and 2021, I was heavy into crypto. 80 to 90% of my wealth was in crypto. And I love crypto, but I need to diversify a little bit. So right now, I'm about 65% crypto, 35% stocks. I'm buying broad index funds and a lot of ETFs that are down here in 2022. I like that I'm getting in the stock market right now because it's so low and there's so much value like there is in crypto. But by the end of the year, I want to be about 55% crypto and 45% stocks. Why is that? Well, it gives me a nice diversified balance of stocks and crypto, and it gives me room to get into real estate. So I'm preparing to get into real estate in 2023. I'll keep you updated on my percentage in terms of where that falls when I get into real estate as well. And then lastly, growing my personal brand and growing my business. Obviously, this is a huge part of it. What I'm doing right now, talking to you here on YouTube. I have some goals for myself here. YouTube channel, I want to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of October. Hint, hint, you can help me by subscribing down below. And the Twitter account, I want to hit 100,000 there by the end of the year. So those are a couple end of the year goals there. And for the YouTube channel, I've just got an end of October goal. Once I hit that 100K, then I'll start setting up new milestones. Then we've started the Freedom 365 podcast. Me and my good friend Austin Hilton, who's really taken me under his wing very early on in our crypto career. I can't thank him enough for all the support and how much he's helped me and how much we've helped each other over the past several months. And I know a lot of you out there listen to both of our channels. We really appreciate you. I couldn't do it without you, obviously. And we wanted to do this podcast because number one, it'd be nice to kind of get away from crypto a little bit. And I have other interests, and I think I can shed some light on just being an entrepreneur, starting businesses, and how to kind of really achieve success and be happy with what you're doing and be passionate about it, and bring other folks on as guests that are successful business people and entrepreneurs themselves, and have them share their story. So we are going to be doing the podcast 3 days a week. That link is down below in the description if you want to follow along on our Twitter page and we're going to be dropping new episodes in the coming weeks. We're going to record a bunch, maybe like 9 or so, to have them ready to go, and really looking forward to growing that. And that is definitely an end of the 2022 goal for me, is to really grow the Freedom 365 podcast over the next 3 months and get it off the ground as we head into 2023. So that's what I've got for you. These are my goals. This is what I'm focusing on. What are you focusing on? Make sure you do this often. Set goals for yourself and knock them out of the park, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next video.